In this video, we will discuss what is an automobile air conditioning system, what are its functions, and how does it perform its functions. We will also be talking about the basics for understanding of automobile air conditioning system. What are the components of automobile air conditioning system and what are their purpose in automobile air conditioning system. And at last, working of air conditioning system. Before moving ahead further in this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Krishna Batham and I am a mechanical engineer. I have plus 10 years of experience of working in very well-known OEMs such as Tata Motors and VE Commercial Vehicles. Last 10 years, my area of working has been research and development domain of these automobile industries. One can define the automotive air conditioning system as a system which allows the safe operation of a vehicle in all kind of weather conditions, by making human body thermally comfortable and maintaining all glass areas free of ice on outside and fog or mist from inside. In order to make human body thermally comfortable, air conditioning system must perform following 4 functions correctly. Number 1, it must cool air. Number 2, it must purify air. Number 3, it must circulate air. Number 4, it must dehumidify air. Let us revise some basics of physics for better understanding of automobile air conditioning system. Heat. Heat is energy that comes from the movement of atoms and molecules inside a substance. Heat increases when these particles move faster. Heat in adequate amount will provide life and comfort. Heat in inadequate amount will create discomfort. Heat is measured in kilocalories. Temperature. Temperature is measure of intensity of heat. It is measured in degrees Celsius. For more understanding over heat and temperature, please watch the video of link given in description. Refrigerant. It circulates throughout the refrigeration system. Readily available, inert, non-corrosive, non-falling, non-toxic, non-freezing. It has boiling point in the range of pressure desired. It absorbs and rejects the heat through a series of boiling and condensing activities. Pressure and temperature relationship. To increase or decrease the boiling point of a substance, we must alter the pressure on the substance. Increasing the pressure increases the boiling point. To decrease the boiling point, decrease the pressure. A good example is automotive cooling system. The pressure cap keeps the radiator from boiling over the increasing the pressure on the coolant. Addition or extraction of heat in matter can result change of state of matter. You can also watch the video of link given description for more understanding on this topic. AC system has generally below 8 components. We will go through the functions of all 8 components in brief. Number 1 is compressor. Purposes of compressor is to raise the temperature of refrigerant and to supply as much as possible refrigerant. It is driven by a belt attached to an automobile engine. Number 2 is discharge hoses. The function of discharge hoses is to connect AC system components, evaporator, expansion valve, compressor and condenser. Number 3 is condenser. Condenser perform work of heat rejection from refrigerant to ambient air. As a result of heat rejection, the refrigerant vapor condenses to a liquid. Number 4 is evaporator. Work of evaporator is to dehumidify and cool the ambient or cabin air going to the passenger compartment. Evaporator receives low pressure liquid and vapor mixture, which absorbs the heat from the air and becomes completely superheated vapor at the exit. Number 5 is receiver dryer. Receiver dryer act as temporary storage containers for oil and refrigerant when neither are needed for system operation. This is the receiver function of the receiver dryer. Most of receiver dryers contain a filter that can trap debris that may be inside the AC system. Receiver dryers contains a material called desiccant. The desiccant is used to absorb moisture that may have gotten inside the air conditioning system during the manufacture or during the assembly or service. This is the dryer function of receiver dryer. Number 6 is thermostatic expansion valve. It controls rate of flow of refrigerant into evaporator, or we can say it controls the pressure of liquid refrigerant flowing inside the evaporator. Number 7 is accumulator. Its primary function is to store liquid refrigerant that is existing in the evaporator to prevent it from reaching the compressor. If liquid refrigerant were to enter the compressor, it could cause damage as the compressor is not designed to pump liquid, only vapor. Number 8 is orifice tube. Orifice tube controls the amount of refrigerant entering the evaporator, or we can say it controls the pressure of liquid refrigerant flowing into the evaporator. It is to be noted that accumulators are only used on systems that contain orifice tubes. Low pressure refrigerant vapor enters the compressor. Inside the compressor, the process of vapor compression takes place. Low pressure refrigerant vapor now leaves compressor as high pressure and temperature vapors. This high pressure and temperature vapor enters the condenser along with the lubricant oil. During circulation of this high pressure and temperature vapor in condenser, heat is released to ambient air. As a result of phase change process, the refrigerant vapors are now converted into liquid. Now this high pressure and temperature liquid enters into receiver dryer, where filtration of debris and vapor takes place from liquid refrigerant. Filtered high pressure and temperature liquid enters expansion valve and leaves as low pressure liquid and vapor mixtures. The evaporator receives low pressure liquid and vapor mixture, which absorbs the heat from the cabin air and becomes completely superheated vapor at the exit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your patience for staying with us till end of this video. Hope you may have liked this video. Please like, subscribe and leave comment below in case if you have any question or any feedback. We will see you in next video.